All right, are you ready for this one pot chicken and rice dish that everybody in your family is gonna love? Start off by soaking 1.5 cups of rice in water, set it aside, get all your spices ready. Don't worry, everything's in the description below. You're gonna add in olive oil and lemon juice. Make a nice pasty marinade, and that's where you're putting in your chicken thighs. I'm using it with the skin on. It just adds such nice flavor. Coat those thighs, set them aside, and then you're gonna heat up your pan and grill them. Cook them till they're browned on each side. Take them out, and then you are going to cook your rice with some butter, turmeric, cumin, and salt. Add in that rinsed, drained rice. You're going to mix it up. Pour in some water, add the chicken back in, let it all cook on low for about 15 minutes, and you have this delicious meal ready to go. Serve it to the family with some salad. I am telling you, you guys are gonna love this. I can't wait for you to try.